Black box dye. Okay, are you thinking about dyeing your hair black, like with a box? If you're thinking about dyeing your hair black with a box, just hold on a minute. Please hold on a minute. Okay? Good morning, good afternoon, good night to you guys wherever you are in the world. Welcome to today's color class. Today we are going to talk about the mysteries of the dreaded black box dye and why it is literally the arch nemesis of every colorist, okay? When's the last time you heard a colorist say something really, really positive about black box dye? I challenge you. I challenge you to the person whose stylist has said something great about black box dye, and I still don't even believe you, okay? So the thing is, black box dye has its own set of complexities, making it really tricky to remove or lighten sometimes. So the question that everyone wants answered is, why in the heck is it so difficult? Get your notepad. We're going to go through it. Reason number one, the concentration of pigments in black box dye. It is heavily concentrated with those dark pigments. Black box dye contains a high concentration of dark pigments that are deeply deposited into the hair shaft inside, you guys, and these pigments can be difficult to penetrate and remove, requiring a lot of effort to lift it out. That's why it can take a lot of time to get those pigments out, right? And that's why we end up having color corrections when it comes to black box dyes. Reason number two, the permanent nature of the dye. Black box dye, more often than not, I mean, there are black box dyes that are not permanent, but commonly is formulated as a permanent hair dye. What this means is that it chemically alters the hair structures to lock in that color. And sometimes undoing this chemical binding process requires strategic hair treatments and color removal methods that again take a lot of time, and it can be really unpredictable with the results that you're going to get when you start lifting it out. Reason number three, potential buildup. This is a huge one, you guys. Over time, continuous applications and overlapping of box dye can lead to product buildup on your hair shaft. And this buildup adds extra layers that are difficult to lift out, and it creates a barrier that prevents effective color. So, there's that. Reason number four, the lack of red undertones. Okay, black box dye usually lacks red undertones that are naturally found in like a person with natural black hair. So these red undertones assist in color lifting and making it easier to lighten the hair without these undertones just makes the process more challenging again. So we just have challenge after challenge after challenge with these black box dyes, and you guessed it, it's not a fan favorite of mine. Okay, reason number five, potential damage to your hair. Okay, black box dyes, some of them contain strong chemicals and can cause hair damage, making your hair more fragile and then more resistant to a color removal process. So it's crucial to approach the process carefully and definitely seek professional assistance to minimize the harm to your hair and keep it from getting damaged. So that's a lot of the time too, because you're having to put so much effort in trying to relighten this hair. It's really taxing on your hair, and so you can get damage in turn. So you guys, the challenge lies in the concentration of pigments, the the nature of, a permanent dark hair dye, potential buildup, and the absence of red undertones, and potential damage caused by black black box dye. I hope this video has shed some light on why black box dye can potentially be difficult and therefore not a crowd favorite amongst most professional colorists. I'm not going to say all of us, but most of us. So please remember, when it comes to a color correction, seeking professional advice is crucial. It is a must do if you really, really want to achieve the desired results while maintaining the health of your hair and not wasting a ton of time and money. Talk to your professional, okay? Get a consultation, do your research before you just dive in headfirst into black box dye. Thank you so much for joining me today. Share this knowledge with your friends and your family, and hopefully, we can spare some of the heartache of trying to reverse and undo years of black box dye when you're ready to go blonde. Okay? Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye. Okay, y'all, let me just say this. I feel like this video could have come off a little strong. Oh, excuse my apple. Having a snack. Could have come off a little strong. I mean, black box dye is not the absolute worst thing that you could do. But this is my recommendation. If you think that you are a person who is gonna like be just dyeing your hair black and you're not gonna ever want to do anything else to it, no other colors, highlights, red, platinum, anything else, black box dye till your little heart is content. But my strong recommendation is that if any piece of you in your heart knows that I'm gonna want to be adventurous and do something else other than black, then don't do it, homie. Don't do it. Don't do it. That's it. I just wanted to come and just like not come down so hard on black box dye. There's a place and a space for it. But if you know you're going to want to eventually do something else different at some point in time, even if it's a year or 2 years down the road, then I just would say don't even go there. That's all. That's it. Okay. Bye.